Okay, assalamualaikum students. So today I'm going to show you how to do this probability distribution questions. So let's do the first questions. The Ludlow Wildcats baseball team, a minor league team in the Cleveland Indians organizations, play 70% of their games at night and 30% during the day. So the team wins 50% of their night games and 90 of their day games. According to today's newspaper, they won yesterday. Okay, so now the first question, we need to draw the tree diagram. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so the first branch, for the first branch is this one. Plays games at night and during the day. So the A1 here is play games at night, and A2 would be this one, play games during the day. Okay, so for the conditional probability for the second branch is this one, the team wins. Okay, so we just write it here, win the games. Okay, so this one would be lose the games. Okay, so next let's do the tree diagram. Okay, so for the first branch, A1 and A2. Okay, so this one, A1 here says 70%, meaning 0.7, and A2 is here, play games during the day, 0.3. Okay, so this is what we call the prior probability. Okay, so this is the first branch. Okay, so next we do the second branch, which are the conditional probabilities. Okay, so for this one, the probabilities for conditional B1, B1, A1 here, this one is this one, win of their night games. Okay, so 0.5. Okay, so next, wins 90% of their day games. Okay, so this one, B1, A2 from this one, 0.9. Okay, next, so like I say in class, every branch the sum of probability is 1. So this one complete 1, this one is not complete yet, and this one is also not complete yet. So 1 minus 0.5, you will get this value. So B2A1 is 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. Okay, so for this one is B2 given A2. Okay, 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1. Okay, so now we have completed the second branch. Okay, next what we need to do is to calculate the joint probability. Okay, so this one is the joint probability. Okay, so how to calculate the joint probability? This one times this one. So A1, this one, intercept B1 equals to 0.7 times 0.5, you will get 0.35. Alright, 0.5, 0.7 times 0. Okay, so this one for the second branch, A1 intercept B2. So this value times this value, 0.7 times 0.5, you will also get 0.35. Okay, now we go to the next branch. This one, A2 intercept B1, 0.3 times 0.9. You will get, if I'm not mistaken, you will get 0.27. Yes, 0.27. Okay, so this one, the last one would be A2 intercept B2, 0.3 here times this one, 0.1, you will get 0.03. Okay, so like I say, always check whether your calculation is correct or not by total up these 4 values. Okay, if the values here, the total of the values here is equal to 1, meaning your calculation is correct. Okay, so now we finish question A. So let's proceed with question B. Okay, so this is the very simple question. What is the prior probability the game was played at night? Okay, so what is the prior probability that the game was played at night? So this one, the prior probability the game was played at night. Okay, so this one, right? P1. Okay, so P1 is equals to 0.7. So this is the answer for question B. Okay, so if the question asks the prior probabilities, you just look here. Okay, so next we go to the question C. What is the posterior probability that the team played during the game during the day and they win? So this one is gonna be like this: P team gameplay during the day. Okay, so this one is A2 and they win, B1. Look here. Okay, so this is the conditional probability. So this one, the formula is A2 intercept B1 divided by PB1. Okay, so firstly we need to find the value of PB1. What is the probability of win the games? Okay, so what we need to do is we do the table, we calculate the posterior probability. Before you calculate the posterior probability, you need to find the PB. So that's when we get the answer for the PB. So this one is event A1, A2. This one is prior probability PAI. Conditional probability is B1. Okay, AI. The joint probability is PAI intercept P1, and posterior probability is PAI P1. So equals to this one divided by PB1. So A1 intercept P1 divided by PB1. Okay, so now we just put the values from this tree diagram into the table. So A1 is 0.7, so this one is 0.3. Conditional probability B1 A1 is up here 0.1, and this one is 0.9. So the joint probability is this one, 0.35 and 0.27. Okay, so now to find the PB1 here, this one we just sum up these two values. So 0.35 plus 0.27, you will get 0.62. Okay, so next, how to find the posterior probability? This one divided by this one. Okay, so 0.35, 0.62. Okay, so 0.62, you will get 0.5645. Okay, so next one is 0.27, same, 0.62, you will get 0.27 divided by 0.62, 0.4355. Okay, same like this joint probability. If you want to check whether our calculation is correct or not, you just sum up these two values, and then if you get 1, meaning your calculation is correct. Okay, so now we finished doing the table. We finish do this table. So how to find this one? So this one, A2 given B1 is from here, right? Okay, so now we just put the values here. So 0.25 and 0.62. So the answer would be 0.4355. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 1. Done.